Germination of baby hair, frontal hair. How do you germinate baby hair, front hair? What are the natural ways that may help hair void germination again? Let us know in what comes on a set of natural methods and recipes that may help to thicken hair and germinate baby hair, front of the head hair. Baby hair germination masks, front of the head hair. Here is a list of the most prominent recipes and natural ingredients that applying topically to the scalp may help the baby hair, front of the head, to grow. Rosemary oil. If you want to thicken your scalp in a relatively short time, this recipe might be a great option. To use rosemary oil, follow these steps. Mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a small amount of olive oil. Massage the scalp with the resulting mixture and leave it on the hair for 3 to 4 hours before washing it as usual. The fenugreek. Fenugreek pills contain active ingredients that may help reduce hair loss and promote hair growth. To obtain the benefits of fenugreek in this regard, follow the following recipe. Soak about a quarter cup of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. When you wake up in the morning, crush the soaked fenugreek seeds with an electric mixer until you get a smooth paste. Apply the fenugreek paste on the scalp, leave it on the scalp for at least 30 minutes, and then wash the hair with water only. Do this recipe once a week to get the desired results. Neem. The neem herb may have many benefits and therapeutic and cosmetic uses, including in the field of improving hair health, as the neem herb may help to strengthen the flow of blood circulation in the scalp, strengthen the roots and hair follicles, and treat many scalp problems that may lead to hair loss. To use neem to germinate baby hair, front hair, apply these steps. Boil a handful of neem leaves in a saucepan that contains 2 cups of water, and take the pot off the stove after 15 minutes. Leave the water to cool down, then strain the leaves. Store the water enriched with neem leaf extract in a closed container for later use. Use neem leaf lotion to rinse your hair one last time after every time you wash and clean your hair. Onion juice. The sulfur in onion juice may help combat hair loss and promote the growth and germination of baby hair, frontal hair, even in cases where hair loss may be caused by alopecia areata. To get the potential hair benefits of onion juice, follow these steps. Puree an onion using an electric mixer, then extract the onion juice from the resulting mixture. Apply onion juice directly to the scalp, and for that use an amount that does not exceed half an onion juice. Leave this juice on your scalp for a full hour, then rinse your hair with water and shampoo. Repeat this recipe twice a week. Black seed oil. Black seed oil may help to strengthen hair and treat many of its problems, and these are some of the potential benefits of this oil for hair. Prevention of hair loss. Hair strengthening. Reducing infections on the scalp. To get the potential benefits of black seed oil for scalp and hair, follow the following. Take 2 tablespoons of black seed oil and start massaging the scalp with this oil, and continue the process of massaging for several minutes at a time. After completing the scalp, start gradually spreading the oil over the rest of the hair. Leave the oil on for 45 minutes, then wash it off as usual with water and shampoo. Amla powder. Amla powder may help to thicken the hair and germinate baby hair, front of the head, by following the following steps. Mix 5 tablespoons of amla powder, blackcurrant, with 5 tablespoons of water. Apply the resulting paste on the scalp and leave it for 30 minutes before washing it with water and shampoo. Aloe vera gel with coconut oil. To take advantage of the benefits of aloe vera and coconut gel for germination of baby hair, front of the head, follow these steps. Mix half a cup of fresh aloe vera gel with several tablespoons of honey and coconut oil. Apply the mixture on the scalp and leave it for 30 minutes before washing it off. Foods and supplements for germination of baby hair, front hair. To intensify hair and combat its loss, you can start consuming the following foods and drinks, which may help germinate baby hair, front of the head, over time. Herbal supplements like saw palmetto supplements, horsetail herb supplements, and red ginseng supplements. The following nutritional supplements: pumpkin seed oil supplements, B-complex vitamin supplements, fish oil supplements, iron supplements, vitamin C supplements, vitamin D supplements. Warm tea made from the following herbs: ginkgo biloba, nettle plant, and green tea. The following foods and snacks: almonds, strawberries, flax seeds, leafy greens, avocados, oysters, salmon, eggs, legumes, yogurt, and aloe vera juice. Additional tips for germinating baby hair, frontal hair. To promote hair growth and thickening, follow the following additional tips. Massage your scalp regularly with a small amount of coconut oil. Make sure to trim the ends of your hair once every 3 months. Do not wash and brush your hair excessively, and do not comb your hair for more than 5 to 10 minutes in a row every day. Replace the cotton cushion covers with satin sheets. Do not towel your hair after showering.